The general trends, atomic and first trend is the atomic and ionic radii. So what is the atomic radii or ionic radii? The atoms of alkali metals have the largest size in their respective periods. The atoms of alkali metals have the largest size in their respective periods. The atomic radii increase on moving down the group among the alkali metals. That means atomic radii is increasing on moving down the group. From the top to bottom, what will happen? Group means what? Top to bottom. Period means left to right. From the top to bottom, atomic radii increases on moving down the group. Why that atomic radii increasing? What is the reason? Here, on moving down the group, there is a progressive addition of new energy shells. On moving down the group, increasing the shells. Although the nuclear charge also increases. Nuclear charges also increases down the group. But the effect of addition of new shells is more predominant, and hence atomic radii of alkali metals increase on going down the group from top to bottom. Okay. By the sizes, I will explain about the atomic radii and ionic radii. Here, the atoms of alkali metals have the largest size in their periods. Largest size in their period. Size in their respective period. Respective periods. The atomic radii increase. The atomic radii increase on moving down the group. The atomic radii increase on moving down the group. The atomic radii increasing on moving down the group. Okay. Here, what is the reason why atomic radii increasing in groups? That means in alkali metals, from the top to bottom, the atomic radii increasing. Reason. Here, reason is on moving down the group, there is a progressive addition of new energy shells. That means new energy shells will be increased on moving from top to bottom. On moving down the group, there is progressive addition. There is progressive addition of new energy shells. Okay. On moving down the group, there is progressive addition of new energy shells. The nuclear charge also increases. The nuclear charge also will be increases. Nuclear charge also increases down the group. But which is the predominant character energy shells increase or nuclear charge increase, which is the predominant here. Generally atomic radii increases from top to bottom in group. Okay, what is the reason? Two reasons they given. What is the two reasons? One is from the top to bottom shells are increasing. From the top to bottom shells are increasing, new energy shells will be increased. And the another one is the nuclear charge also increases. Here new energy shells increasing and the nuclear charge also increases. In this between these two, which is the predominant character? New energy shells are increasing. This is our predominant character. Group, but the effect of addition of new shells is more predominant. Okay, and hence atomic radii of alkaline metals increase are going down the group from top to bottom. Here once you have to observe because of two reasons atomic radii increasing from the top to bottom. One is new energy shells are increasing, another one is nuclear charge also will be increasing. Okay, so what is the new shells and nuclear energy? How can you understand these 2 points? Now here 2 points they given na? So we can discuss about the new energy shells and nuclear charge. For suppose this is a lithium, this is a sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the alkali metals. Here from the top to bottom new shells are increasing. How it will be increased? Lithium atomic number 3 11. For suppose first 2 ions we have to check. Here what is the electronic configuration of lithium? 1s2 2s1 1s2 2s1. 2 shells is there. This is the first shell, this is the second shell. Here sodium is there. 1s2 2s2 2p6 2p6 3s1. Here how many shells is there? 1s is the first shell, 2s 2p is the second shell, 3s is the third shell. Total 3 shells is there. Here 2 shells is there, here 3 shells is there. That means from the top to bottom shells are new energy shells. New energy shells are increasing. For suppose if we take the potassium 19, if we take the potassium, rubidium 37 and cesium 55 and francium 87, with inert gas we written the already electronic configuration. Okay, so here 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1. Once you have to check here increasing shell, here increasing shell, here increasing shell, here 2s1 3s1 4s1. If we write the rubidium what is the atomic number 37. So with the inert gas configuration we have to write krypton 5s1. If we write the cesium, xenon 6s1. If we write the francium, radon 7s1. Once you have to observe in the from the top to bottom shell, new energy shells are increasing. New energy shells are increasing. Here this is a lithium. For suppose first element is this atom is a lithium. In the lithium only 2 shells is there. Okay, in the lithium only 2 shells is there. Then go to the sodium, next element. How many shells is there? 3 shells. First shell, second shell, third shell. Okay, here 2 shells is there. In lithium, this is a lithium, this is a sodium. Sodium 3 shells is there. Then go to the potassium. Potassium, how many shells is there? This is the first shell, this is the second shell, this is the third shell, this is the fourth shell. So 4 shells is there. First shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. Then you have to check the rubidium. Rubidium 5 shells, cesium 6 shells, francium 7 shells. Then top to bottom, once you have to observe, shells are increasing. Shells are increasing. This is the one reason. And second reason is about nuclear charge also. Nuclear charge also increasing. Okay. This is the first reason. And in the same way, rubidium, cesium, one shell will be increased from the top to bottom. Okay. And second reason what? Nuclear charge also increases. Okay. Once we have to check what is the nuclear charge. Here center of the atom nucleus is there. Okay, this nucleus having the attraction force on the valency shell. Okay, from the top to bottom, here this nuclear charge only up to here only, second shell only. Here nuclear charge up to third shell. Here nuclear charge up to fourth shell. Here nuclear charge for rubidium, here nuclear charge up to fifth shell. 5s1 is there. Here cesium 6th shell. Here francium 7th shell. So nuclear charge will be increasing from the top to bottom. How it will be increasing? Here once you have to check. Here only 2 shells. Here 3 shells. Here 4 shells. Then 5 shells. Then 6 shells. So this nuclear charge will be increased. Okay. Nuclear charge also increasing from the top to bottom. So these are the 2 reasons. These 2 reasons, atomic and ionic radius, are increasing in the groups of the alkali metals. And one more point is there. Alkali metals change into positively charged ions. Alkali metals change into positively charged ion. Positively charged ions by losing their lone valency electron. By losing their lone valency electron. The monovalent ions M plus are smaller. The monovalent ions M plus are smaller than the size of the parent atom. Within the group, the ionic radii increases with increase in atomic number. Within the group, the ionic radii increases with increase in atomic number. Okay, alkali metals change into positively charged ions by losing their lone valency electron. The monovalent ions M plus are smaller than the size of the parent atom within the group. Here, what is the meaning of this word? Alkali metals change into the positively charged ions. Positively means, for suppose, if any atom is there, means it is lost the electron, means it will get the positive charge. For suppose it gains the electron, means it get the negative charge. Here alkali metal always trying to lose their electrons. Always they are trying to lose the electrons from the valency shell. If it is lose the electron means it get the positive charge. That is a monovalent ion. One positive charge is there means monovalent ion. So these monovalent ion, that means after the losing the electron, that is called monovalent ion, are smaller than the size of the parent atom. Smaller than the size of the parent atom. That means, first suppose sodium is there, Na plus is there. After the losing the, it will be get the positive charge. Before that, this is a parent atom. This is a monovalent atom, which is having the smaller size. Na plus is having smaller size, or Na is smaller size. Parent atom is having smaller size, or monovalent. The monovalent ions are smaller than the parent atom. This is a smaller than the parent atom. Okay. So this is about the atomic and ionic radii, how it will be changed in the group. Okay, thank you.